Hi everybody, James again from Creases Labels. So today I want to show you how we use some easy ways to achieve the quality of good woven labels. First one, look at the density. The higher the density, always with the finer the yards used, because the smaller the space between each yards. So the whole label is fairly soft, and if the hand fairly hard, of course the density must not be very high, like this labels, and so it's very soft labels, but this one, so you can fairly, okay, you can see this, and you can check in the space or between each the yards. So this is very high density, and this one just is confirmed. Okay, number two, so we can see these are the surface will be transparent. Some use light background and with dark logo, like a white background and black logos woven labels. So you always can find the colors penetration is easy. So when high quality woven labels meet these colors matching, we always add one more layer to the background. So that's we call it double woven, like this one, or the white background. This is background. Also, this one we use the background also, but you can find the difference. So this background, you can see the background is very white, but this one is not white, like the pink with all other colors. So what's this problems? Because this labels we did not use the double layer woven, so you can find the color penetration. You can see this penetration of the colors. And number three, so look at the edge of the cutting process. It is impossible to have burr on the edge of good woven labels like this one. So the good quality woven labels, the edge must be soft and smooth. If the common woven labels edge is were made by hot cut, and the good one when made by ultrasonic cut, so that is very big difference. So you can this one is very hard edge, but this one and is very soft and smooth. Also the good one will not hurt our skin, so it's very soft, but this one is different. We can feel in our skin is hurt by the edge. And number four, we can check in the fourth part, and the good quality must be neat creases and symmetrical. It must not be uneven. So you can find this the folder or the label. You can feel it's very neat creases, but for example, like this, if you find the fourth part like this, okay, like this, so that is not good labels. But if it can keep in neat creases, so that is better, like this one. So today I hope the information can help you some ways what I shared with you. Thank you so much.